Hi, I'm Jerry Romano. I'm going to share with you my favorite recipes that are easy to prepare and taste great. Today I'm going to make Patatas Bravas, which are a very popular tapas in Spain. These brave potatoes are fried and have two delicious sauces. They're fantastic and I think you're going to love them. We're making potatoes, which is super simple, and I'm going to take a couple of shortcuts with the sauces, but it will still taste great. Here are the ingredients. 5 Idaho potatoes, cup of diced onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 6-ounce can of tomato paste, 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 2 tablespoons of sherry wine vinegar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And for the shortcut aioli sauce, 1 cup of mayo, clove of garlic, and a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Okay, let's start by boiling the potatoes for 20 to 25 minutes. For the Brava sauce, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to a medium-high saucepan, then 1 cup of diced onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 6-ounce can of tomato paste, season with some salt and pepper. Now add 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sherry wine vinegar, and start with a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Add more if you like it spicy. Give it a good stir, then turn the heat up and then bring it down to a simmer and let it cook for about 30 minutes. For the shortcut aioli, smash up the garlic and add it to the cup of mayo. Then add the teaspoon of Dijon, then mix it up. It's really that simple. Now fry the potatoes in vegetable oil. Turn them over so they get golden all around. When they look good and crispy, start taking them out and put them on a dish with a paper towel. The Brava sauce that was simmering, we're going to puree it in a food processor or a blender. And then return it to the saucepan to warm it up. This Brava sauce is going to taste great. Okay, let's assemble this. Put a little bit of Brava sauce on a plate, the fried potatoes on top, and then I put the aioli sauce in a Ziploc bag and cut a hole in the end. I made these a week ago to fine-tune the recipe, and after a second serving, almost went back for thirds. Don't do that. These are supposed to be eaten as tapas, not a meal. Let's have a taste. Those are really good. I think I'll be having seconds. Remember, all it takes to make delicious food is great ingredients, a little bit of technique, and lots of passion. Thanks for joining me today.